guess what? We've got another new course for you to have a think about. And this one is a little bit left of field. So I thought it'd be really good just to get an expert to come and have a conversation with you about it. My good friend, would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure. Good day, everyone. I'm Ankul. I'm one of the Lumify contracting trainers. So from a background perspective, I've worked in the industry for 20 plus years, worked at both Microsoft and Amazon, and I've developed few different training programs throughout the journey. So looking forward to helping you folks out with this new course as well.
And this course is a little bit left of field, isn't it? It's not your normal run-of-the-mill how to fly an Azure or how to fly a Teams instance. It has the very exciting and sexy name, standby of IC-002T00, Microsoft Cloud for Sustainability. So sustainability is a thing right now. In the rest of our business, there's a new version of Prince 2 coming, Prince 2 7th edition, and one of the big changes there is a whole piece now around sustainability, because clearly it's focusing to the top of organizations' agenda. So why this new course? Why are Microsoft doing this? What's the backstory?
Let's actually follow your theme there, Gary. So having worked with several tier 1 customers across different industry verticals, I would fully echo what you mentioned. Sustainability has now gone past just a buzzword. Today, it represents a strategic initiative that every forward-looking organization is taking on board. Investors proactively ask the CEOs and the board members saying, what are your sustainability targets? How are you achieving them? Why? Because it has a direct social, economical, and environmental impact there. So this course that we have on board is something that has come out of a Microsoft workshop that I created a few years ago on how Microsoft is contributing to an organizational sustainability goals. So there are a few key aspects that it touches on. The first one is more around, understanding your sustainability metrics, tracking them, how you can reduce those carbon emissions, setting up sustainability dashboards, and then overall how you can report them easily so that your organization is not only able to meet those goals, but they're able to report those goals to the board and to the general public as well. So in essence, it equips participants and organizations from a knowledge perspective on how they can use the various Microsoft products and solutions to become more sustainable, leveraging something called the Microsoft Sustainability Model Manager, I should say, as well as how they can unify the data, provide insights, report that data, and become a healthy, environmental, impactful organization.
So it's becoming more and more important to organizations who are clearly having to put this in their board reports, clearly having to go to market with this. I guess the question would be is, okay, I'm sold, I'll come on this course. I'm going to sign up for Microsoft Cloud for Sustainability. What am I going to be able to do at the end of this course that I can't do now? What am I going to understand? And the flip side of that is, what's my organization going to be able to do? So what's in it for me and what's in it for my organization?
Sure. So what this course does for an individual as well as for an organization is it teaches you on how to leverage Microsoft's cloud-based tools and solutions to optimize, track, and improve on your environmental footprint, which further helps the organization to meet those sustainability targets. If I pick up on the technical aspect for a minute, what you typically would learn is a tool called Microsoft Sustainability Manager, how to integrate data from different sources, how to track your carbon footprint, how to set up goals, scorecard, analytics, and then how you can drive initiatives out of those insights that you've gathered. So for example, I'm running a big Azure environment. Hey, these are the 50 different VMs that I can sort of change and become more environmental friendly is one of the key aspects that a participant would learn. From an organizational perspective, what they'd be able to do is they'll be able to better understand, how Microsoft is contributing on that sustainability aspect, and then what are the tools and great insights that are available to drive those impactful initiatives out of the tool that we have. And holistically, from an outcome perspective, they would be able to accelerate on their sustainability journey, be more environmental friendly, contribute towards global climatic change and sustainability overall.
You can mark it and you can measure it. I'm loving the idea of that. So, okay, I'm sold on the idea. What do I need to come on this course? Do I need to be an eco warrior? Do I need to be a developer? Am I supposed to know curly brackets and semicolons? What's the level of expertise and knowledge and experience required from a student to come on this course?
Firstly, you need to have a mindset of learning something new, the most important thing. So you can come either from a background of a technical person or from a sustainability technologist. You just need to have a very basic understanding of what is cloud and how it works, and I'll take you on the journey from there on. So um, not a lot of prerequisites, in short.
Excellent, brilliant. All you got to do is pay your money and take your course. Sounds ideal. So,
And what I would commit is I would help all of you to become data-driven professionals on how you can achieve your sustainability outcomes from attending this course.
yeah, perhaps we need to look at this internally as well. We've only got a short window to obviously chat, but I think we've covered all the bases. What's the course? What's covered? Thank you for your insights. We look forward to seeing you in one of our classrooms, helping us and the rest of the world reduce our carbon footprints. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you. Take care.